So what I'm going to show you guys how to do really easily is how to tighten your hydraulic disc brakes. I've noticed that some components have the ability to tighten them through the levers, but this is actually even easier. What you're going to do is you're going to take a dime, 10 cents, and the reason why is because if you look that the dime is smaller actually than your disc. And the way disc brakes work is let's see. Oh, that big step. You put the dime in here, and then you press the brake. Open it and just hold it down for a minute. If you haven't bled your brakes, you can do that beforehand. Anyways, here you go. As you see, the dime pulls out, and I'm going to put the wheel back. And it should slide right in, just like you didn't do anything. As you can see. Oh, you know what I messed up? I should have actually, whoops, I should have actually, what do you call it, shown you the before. But anyways, what you're going to see right now is that even after putting the dime way out there, tight brakes. Thank you.